Hello everyone, this is Rafsan Amidi, and today I'll be going to a Japanese restaurant named Fujiyama, and I had the bento before. সেটা home delivery ছিল, and it was okay. If you want me to be honest, it wasn't really something that I would have again, to be honest. That's just me, okay? এখানে অনেকে থাকতেই পারে তাদের কাছে অনেক ভালো লাগছে, but আমি আবার অর্ডার করব না আর কি. I'm gonna try something else today and see how it goes. So I'm at Banksia now, and I just parked my car, and now I'm going into the restaurant. আজকে সারপ্রাইজিংলি রেস্টুরেন্টে কেউ নাই, এটা কিন্তু খুবই বিজি থাকে এই প্লেসটা, অ্যান্ড ইটস অ্যাকচুয়ালি গুড ফর আস. যেটা মনে হচ্ছে দেখে যে আজকে সবাই উবার অর্ডার করতেছে. They're not really bothered to come to the restaurant all the way and have their food for some reason. তুমি কিছু নিবা? আমি রামেন নিছি তো.
Ramen.
So you added the chicken ramen, yeah?
Chicken ramen.
Yeah. Chicken ramen or whatever that was. Was that chicken ramen?
It was
This one.
this one,
Yeah.
yeah. So shall you use like the soup is like saltier? I mean no. Miso is saltier and shoyu is sweeter. Yeah.
No, we don't want anything sweet on that.
So miso.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Would you like two of them or?
Do we need better? Actually, we'll try something else. So this and anything else that you might recommend?
The curry rice is really nice.
I mean, we already have too much curry over here.
Oh, okay. We have like hot plates. We have hot plates, which is let's see. We have like this stuff, hot plates.
So that's for like one person, or
Yeah, it's for one person.
say something? Yeah, it's over something. Right?
Let's go for this one then.
This one? Yeah, sure. We'll take this one as well. So this and that.
Chicken roll hot plate.
Yeah. You guys have like any Japanese traditional drinks or anything?
Yeah, we do. We have ramen if you want to try that.
Yeah.
Yep.
তো এই ড্রিঙ্কটার নাম হচ্ছে হাতারামুনে, অ্যাজ এখানে লেখা আছে. আর we never had this before. বেশ কিছু ইউটিউব ভিডিওতে দেখছি যে this is something that traditional Japanese people do have, and এটা আমাদেরকে ওয়েটার খুলে দিছে. এটার প্রসেস একটু ডিফারেন্ট, ইভেন তো এখানে কিছুটা আই গেস ডেমনস্ট্রেট করতেছে. এটা টপে একটা লিডের মতো ছিল, তো হি সর্ট অফ প্রেসড ইট.
Oh god. Sorry.
এটা একটু স্পিল করার প্রত্যেকবার দুইটার জন্যই স্পিল হয়েছে, বাট ইট ওয়াজ আ ডিসেন্ট ডিসপ্লে. সো নাও আই এম গোনা ট্রাই দিস. কেমন জানি একটু তাল তাল টাইপের, লাইক পাম sort of taste. খারাপ না, it's just carbonated palm drink or something. $4 is a bit too much for this, no?
Hot plate. This is the ramen with the soup.
So that's with that?
Yeah, this and that.
Okay.
Just gonna pour it in.
Actually, thank you. আমাদেরকে ডিশগুলো প্লাস্টিক বলে সার্ভ করছে. জিজ্ঞেস করে নিছিল যে if we are okay with that, and we were like, yeah man, we're here to have some Japanese food, so yeah, we're here. So এইটা I guess বেন্তোটা, অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি নাম ভুলে গেছি. এইটা ছিল রামেন. ইয়েস, আমার এটা মনে আছে, এটা ছিল রামেন. আর ডিমটা হাফ বয়েলড এগ. আমি হাফ বয়েলড এগ খাই না, এটা রায়ন তুমি খাবা. ওকে, we were told that এটা এই রামেনে ঢেলে খেতে হবে, so yeah, I'm just going to do that. comes with another wrap on top. Wrap খুলে ফেললাম without spilling any of it. Oh well, not 100% but okay. I'm just gonna pour it down. All of it on top. Just. এই ডিশটার নাম হচ্ছে চিকেন কারাগে রামেন। বাংলাদেশে আমি এবার যে কিওশিতে ট্রাই করছিলাম চপস্টিক ইউজ করার, and guess what, I failed and ended up using a fork. I'm gonna try again, man. Okay, well. Probably was lettuce. I could successfully grab some lettuce. Let me try the meat. No, এটা lettuce one actually. অন্য কিছু একটা. Oh man. ইউটিউবে বেশ কিছু ভিডিও দেখতে হবে সবার। Basically fried chicken and it's pretty good. বাইরে দিয়ে অনেক ক্রিস্পি অ্যান্ড যখন আমি কামড় দিচ্ছি ভিতরটা অনেক অনেক টেন্ডার অ্যান্ড লাইক as you say it's pretty well cooked, very well cooked. And no, don't focus on me holding the food with chopsticks. I'm not holding it correctly. I know. I'm gonna learn one day, man. I'm Japanese anime অনেক দেখি, so I have to. I could grab that like after quite some time. What is that? I think this is something made from eggs, and if you guys can see the emblem, it sort of resembles Naruto. আমরা বাঙালিরা একদম এরকম খাবার খাই না, একদমই না. But it's good, like it has like good amount of protein because of the amount of chicken and half an egg. I'm a couple, but man, I'm just not too tempted because it's got like a half-boiled yolk on top. I'm not a big fan of that. I'm not. এটাতে কিছু কর্ন আছে. It has some onion underneath. Noodles also, of course, because it's a ramen, and as I said or mentioned, I don't know what that is, this whitish sort of thing. Didn't taste well. Gonna vegetable hobe or something. Sorry Dan, I'm gonna have your dish as my second dish for the content, man.
Yeah, no problem.
So beshi khabo na, don't worry. So I'm gonna have the noodles at first. Man, it's so hard, bro. Oh wow. This is a very different dish. Fried noodles with a bit of onion and একটু লাল লাল কেটে, I don't know. এখানে তারা একটু mayonnaise, I think. এরকম টাইপের কিছু একটা দিছে. This is better than the previous one. This is something that I guess we had. বাংলাদেশের সন্ধ্যার সময় তো খিদে লাগলে ম্যাগি নুডলসই খাইছি. I mean, this is not really something that I'm like totally new to. So I ended up having the karage ramen and Ryan ended up having the other one. Look at the grease in this. So দুইটাই টেস্ট করার পরে আমি বলবো চিকেন ramen hot plate was a bit better, actually a lot better. But the thing is, I ended up having the first one, which was not this, which was chicken teriyaki ramen, yes. Both of them were fantastic, but this one actually tops it. It just does. Very nice. Ryan এখনো খাবার শেষ করে নাই তাই আছে আমারটা শেষ. But yeah, সবসময় আমি শেষ করি সবার ফার্স্টে. But it was a good experience overall. The service fantastic. If you're really looking to try a Japanese cuisine, and halal of course, if you're a Muslim, look no further. Fujiyama is a place to go to. That normally close kore 8:30 দিকে রাতে. Their foods are fantastic. At least the ones that we have tried. So yeah, that's it. So the total price was, including the surcharge of 1.3%. That was what? $41.16. 60, sorry. Okay. So that's quite expensive actually. Like duita dish or duita drinks and that's it. And Bangla taka hisabe convert kori, man, it's actually a lot for only 2 dishes. But Japanese food gulo actually Bangladeshe আমি যখন try করছি, those are actually not cheap, okay? Not even in the mid-range. Those are expensive. But anyways, all that matters is experience. So I'm gonna go home with a good experience. So that's the end of today's video. You guys can choose to support me or not to support me, but I would really appreciate if you do. It wouldn't cost you any money. But yeah, please like, comment anything if you like, and subscribe. Please, it wouldn't cost you any money. Come on, do it.